Good afternoon, Athens. Student meteorologist Michael Donehoo back here in the Weather Dog studio. Let's take a look at those current temperatures right now. We are all roasting. Athens parked at 97 degrees. Got some upper 90s down here in central Georgia with Blairsville sitting at 89, that being the coolest point. Doesn't say a whole lot. Here we go, forecast highs. Athens going to be peaking at 100 degrees. Got some of us joining the club, Atlanta, Covington, may even get a couple degrees warmer than that with some upper 90s. Again, Blairsville, lower 90s. That's going to be the coolest point on the map. And for that reason, it's also pretty dry out there, so we want to bring you on over to the UV index forecast. We got a 30-minute burn time, so you do want to limit your time outdoors and stay hydrated best you can. If you are outside for extensive periods of time, you do want to be applying that sunscreen and keep those sunglasses on, certainly. But here's the juice of the forecast. We got this storm system out here across Memphis and Little Rock. That's going to start tracking our way. So here we are, 2 o'clock this afternoon. Again, most of North Georgia dry for the time being. We're going to watch this cluster race down through Shreveport towards the Gulf Coast as we play on through this afternoon. Here we are, 11 o'clock this evening, still dry, maybe some clouds working their way here into North Georgia, but you can see the spread of this system going all the way from Jackson, Mississippi and the Gulf Coast, stretching all the way up towards Nashville, Tennessee, and all the way out here to the northeast. So it's covering a pretty decent area. And here we go. We're going to play it on through the early morning hours of Thursday. You're going to see it does fall apart quite a bit, but we are going to have some showers for the morning commute Thursday, working its way into metro Atlanta. Could be a wet commute tomorrow morning. But we're going to have a second round as we go into Thursday afternoon. Boom, it's going to start blowing up again across North Georgia. And we're going to have some thunderstorms likely here in the area. Pretty decent coverage. Could have some thunder and lightning embedded in some of these storms with some heavy downpours. But as of the moment, no severe threat expected tomorrow. And as we go into Friday, we dry out nicely. Could have some lingering showers up here in northwest Georgia, but most of us are going to be dry Friday. Bring you on back to tonight. Low of 75 here in Athens. Again, scattered showers is going to be more early morning hours, but you can't really rule it out tonight. It's going to be hot and muggy. And as we go into tomorrow, again, once those showers come through in the morning, we're going to have a second round of storms blow up in the afternoon. It's going to knock that temperature down just a bit, but still going to be warm with a high of 93 tomorrow. All right, let's take you on through the 7-day forecast. Best chance of rain is going to be Thursday morning and Thursday afternoon. Friday, dry it out nicely, and Friday is going to be the dry day. As we go into the weekend, it's going to be hot and humid again. You can see we do expect some sunshine, but we can't really rule out a stray storm over the weekend. Highs 93 Saturday, 97 Sunday. And as we start the next week, we're going to have a continuation of the same pattern we've seen over the last couple of weeks. Highs staying true to the 90s with going to be a 40% coverage of some scattered storms to start your week on Monday. So once again, student meteorologist Michael Donehoo, stay cool and go Dogs.